Hook. Hey there, juice enthusiasts. Apple juice is undoubtedly a beloved drink for many of us, but have you ever stopped to wonder about the intricate process behind its production? Today, we're going to peel back the curtain and reveal the fascinating journey of how apple juice is made in a factory setting. Introduction. Welcome to the intriguing world of apple juice manufacturing. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look at the factory process that brings this delicious beverage from orchard to bottle. It's a journey filled with precision, innovation, and a whole lot of juicy goodness. Presentation of problem/challenge. Producing apple juice on a large scale comes with its fair share of challenges. From sourcing the finest apples to maintaining strict quality standards throughout the production process, there's a lot that goes into ensuring each bottle meets the mark of perfection. Exploration/development. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of apple juice production. It all starts with the careful harvesting of ripe apples from the orchards. These apples are then washed to remove any dirt or impurities before being crushed to extract the flavorful juice. In a factory setting, the process is streamlined to deliver consistent and delicious results every time. Climax/key moment. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the transformation of freshly pressed apple juice into the final product ready for packaging. Witness the culmination of hard work and dedication as the sweet aroma of apple juice fills the air, signaling that it's time to bottle up this liquid gold. Conclusion/summary. As we wrap up our journey through the apple juice factory, let's take a moment to recap the key stages we've covered. From orchard to bottle, each step in the production process showcases the precision and care required to deliver a top-quality product to your table. Cheers to the magic of apple juice. Call to action, CTA. If you found this behind-the-scenes look at apple juice production as fascinating as we did, why not explore more videos on juice manufacturing? Share your thoughts on the apple juice making process in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more juicy content. Thanks for watching.